Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the Cartesian equation of the curve given by the parametric equations. And we've been given the pair of equations. X equal to 50t squared and y equal to 100t. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Cartesian and parametric equations are two different ways of describing a curve in a coordinate system. A Cartesian equation defines a curve by establishing a direct relationship between x and y coordinates, and is the more familiar equation of a curve. Parametric equations express each x and y variable as separate functions, and introduce a third independent variable called a parameter. Answering this question is a three-step process. To begin, we need to rearrange one of the parametric equations to make t the subject, before substituting that expression for t into the second equation and simplifying, if necessary. The two parametric equations we've been given are x equal to 50t squared and y equal to 100t. Rearranging y equal to 100t and making t the subject by dividing both sides by 100, we get y divided by 100 equal to t. We can substitute this expression for the variable t in the equation x equal to 50t squared, giving us x equal to 50 multiplied by y divided by 100 squared. By squaring the numerator and denominator of the fraction, we get x equal to 50 multiplied by y squared divided by 10,000. "50" is a factor of both 50 and 10,000. 50 divided by 50 is 1, and 10,000 divided by 50 is 200. So we can simplify the fraction to get x equal to y squared divided by 200. An optional fourth step is to rearrange this equation to make y the subject. And we can do that by multiplying both sides by 100, giving us y squared equal to 200x. And this is the standard Cartesian form for any parabola. For more explanation and examples of Cartesian and parametric equations, search our channel for Parametric Equations. As an extension to this question, does the parabola open vertically upwards or horizontally to the right. For a hint, look in the comments section and post your answer there. So, the Cartesian equation of the curve and the answer to this question is y squared equal to 200x. Visit our website at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.